Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today going to give you a brief update because you're gonna see that everything's gonna be kind of quiet on the channel for the next couple weeks. Let's say 2 weeks. What's happening is that I'm starting a bunch of stuff on the car. So right now I have the coil off, the downpipe is off, and I'm starting to take off the doors. As you can see here, this door is already stripped for the of the interior pieces. And yeah, so what's happening here is that I'm trying to figure out the easiest way to do this so I have the least amount of no door time on the car. And what I figured out is that I'm gonna disconnect all the wires from the door, push them through, or loosen up the boot and take off the whole door as an assembly, and then bring in the other door, run the wires through it, and then install the mechanism again. Because the other doors that I got were manual doors, so the mechanism was attached here up in the top, unlike on the electric door where it's on the bottom. And all of this is happening at the same time. So not only am I I'm taking off the doors and getting them set up, which I'm also doing some sound deadening and some reinforcing and stuff. I'll show you guys in another video, and actually a little bit of it right now. But yeah, so downpipe's off, coil's off, and the car's pretty much immobilized. And yeah, all of this is actually taking quite a lot longer than expected. Also, weather's not cooperating right now. My hand's freezing. It's about to fall off, the hand that I'm holding the camera with. But there's going to be a couple other modifications that I'm going to be doing. So, for example, on the mirror, I have this little dandy projectors that project Grand National. Actually, let me see if I can give you a little show of that. So, put it down. I'm going to be installing these projectors on the door mirrors, and these will be turning on whenever I turn on the lights inside the car, like I unlock the car, lock the car, or turn on the interior lights. And let me see if I can show you. Bam. Not the best show, but you get the idea. Pretty much displays a little Grand National emblem. So yeah, that's going on. I already have all the parts that I need for the doors. That's why everything's a mess, because I'm doing a bunch of things at the same time. Here's the door. This is the new door. Actually, if you saw in my previous video, I actually got these from the guy that did the burnout, the gender reveal burnout, with the pink smoke tires, which was awesome. If you haven't seen it, I'll put a link to that video below. But yeah, so I started by sealing the inside of the door, which I don't know if you can see very well there. But all the seams are sealed. Every single bare metal surface was painted. I'm gonna add some lizard skin to the inside of the door, just to mass load it a little bit, so it has a nicer thud when it shuts. And I'm going all out with this. I'm doing new seals, as you can see here. I'm already running the new seal. Here's some of the adhesive I'm using. New door handles, which actually have all the stuff there, new brackets, new vapor barrier. I'm also going to add a 1/8 inch dyno liner on some of the door, and I'm also going to mass load the inner frame of the door. And yeah, the hardest part of all of this is that I got to swap the entire mechanism, and I want to install it with rivets as well, so I don't have nuts and stuff rattling inside of the doors. That's it for that door. Right now I'm only doing the driver's side. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I already took the old downpipe off. I still got to mount this on. And I'm also doing those modifications that I was telling you about with the rear view mirror and the little projector. So yeah, this is all just taking very long because right now it's like, what's the temperature here? It's 50 degrees inside supposedly. But it's more like 36 degrees. And yeah, it's just really cold. It doesn't help that it starts raining. Every time I want to go outside, it starts raining, so I can't do this. So yeah, and that'll be it for this video. This was more of an update. I don't want to leave you guys in the dark, because I know that a lot of you keep checking to see if I have I have uploaded new content, but as you can tell, I'm kind of with my hands full, and this is stuff that I don't think many want to see. I will do a couple highlights here and there, like what I'm doing. I don't think that you guys be interested. If you are, let me know in the comments. I mean, I am recording certain things. It's just not, I don't feel that it's video worthy material sometimes. So it'll be more like little snippets here and there that I'll be uploading on the Facebook page or Instagram. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and remember to share this with anybody that may find it useful.